Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to the Crafty Bird. I hope you are all doing fine. Today's tutorial is about this beautiful double plant hanger. So let's get started. To make this planter you need 4 cords. These are folded in half and these are 110 inches each. I just passed them through this metal ring. Now I'm making a gathering knot by a different color here. After making gathering knot, now you need to divide these 8 cords into 4 sets. 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. Now leaving the 3 inches of distance from this gathering knot, start making alternative half edges. After making one alternative half edge, I am adding a bead here and then again do alternative half edge. Like this. Now I will add a bead here. Like this, and then again make alternative half edge one more time, like this. Now I'm adding bead here, so it's like switching the bead side here and then here, and now I will add a bead here. Like this. We will do this with all the other sets. Repeat the same. So here you can see we just completed the 4 rows by alternative half edges. Now leaving the 5 inches of distance, I made this regular plant web like this. Leave a 5-inch distance and then make a regular web like this. Just make a simple knot of adjacent cords like this, and now we have these two, so make a knot here leaving the 5 inches of distance. We are making simple knot, and after managing the distance, then you can secure these knots. And now leaving the distance of 3 inches, make knots again. Adjacent cords like this and make a regular knot. So now we have this gathering knot here, leaving 3 inches again, like this distance. Again, repeat the design. So here you can see I just added 2 beads this time, and I did 3 alternative half hitches, 1, 2 and 3. Now leaving this distance of 8 inches, make regular knots by using the adjacent cords to make a planter web. This time we need to place a larger pot, so we are leaving 8 inches distance. So here you can see I just made this plant hanger web. This first knot is by leaving 8 inches distance, then the second is 3 inches, and then third one is almost 2.5 inches of distance, and then we will make a final gathering knot here. Here you can see I just made this final gathering knot here, and then we will trim this tail. So we just completed our project today. I hope you love this very beautiful and colorful double plant hanger. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Until the next tutorial, take care of yourself and Khuda Hafiz.